In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase a domain name from Namecheap and then link it to an already existing hosting plan on Namecheap. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to namecheap.com or use the link in my description. It is my affiliate link and you'll be helping me by using the affiliate link. All right, so when you're on namecheap.com, you head over right here where it says make more or less. This is where we're going to search for our domain name. And in my case, the domain name I want to search for is this. So I'm just going to type it right here. So you had a .com or whatever extension you want your domain to be. In my case, it is .com. So this is bonecallgroup.com. All right, so having done that, you want to click on search, and this will search for your domain and see if it is available for a purchase. All right, so obviously this domain is available for purchase, and you can see it says bonecallgroup.com. It's available, and this tick actually means this domain name is available. So we're going to head over here, and right, so I'm going to click on add to cart, and I'm going to click on checkout. All right, so here are the domain name, and we also have a domain privacy, which is free forever, and this is going to cost $11.48. Right after this, I'm going to scroll down and click on confirm order. And over here, I'm going to type in my credit card details. And when you're done putting in your credit card details, you want to tick this box right here and then click on continue. All right, so this is a summary of your order. You have to confirm if it is correct or not, and if you're okay with everything right here, you can go ahead and click on pay now. All right, so right now the order is successful, and here is the summary of my order right here. And if you want, you can go ahead and download your receipt right here. All right, so that is how you purchase a domain name from Namecheap. So to link this domain name we have just purchased with an already existing hosting plan on Namecheap, you want to head over to your dashboard right here. Click on dashboard, and I'm going to head over to my hosting list, and I'm going to go to the cPanel of the hosting I want to link this domain with. So click on go to cPanel, and right here on the cPanel, you want to scroll down and locate the domains right here, the domain section right here. So right here, click on domain. And now to add this domain we have just purchased to this hosting, click on create a new domain right here. All right, so over here, type in the domain we have just purchased, which is this one right here. So now we have typed this in, scroll down, and right here where it says share document route, just tick the tick box and click on submit. And you just have to wait a while this is connected to the hosting. All right, so over here you can see it says you have successfully created a new bookcallgroup.com domain with the document root of the current hosting list, and it also says SSL is being installed. So this domain will actually come with an SSL as well. And now if you check the website, it might not be on yet, but you just have to wait some few minutes and it should be on. I hope this video has been pretty much helpful. If it is, please give this video a like and get subscribed to the channel if you're not. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.